Hi chickens. So basically I'm going to meet an enemy called Oluchi and we're gonna do a collab. So she's gonna do makeup and I'm gonna video it. She's amazing. I'm gonna tell her guys say it's amazing. So guys, I'm gonna vlog the whole thing with you guys. I haven't vlogged in a while. So it feels weird. It feels so weird. I haven't vlogged. I need to go back to Nigeria and start vlogging again. I don't like this life. How have you guys been? Hope you guys have been well. Just been a bit doing a little school with that, and my MacBook broke, so I can't edit. But shout out to Chrissy, she's gonna edit my videos and put it up for me. But yeah, guys, I'm good. But yeah, I'm on my way there. I'm going to Croydon. I haven't been to Croydon in forever. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to her place. So yeah, bye guys. Love you. Just pre the beat. Just pre the beat, guys. Pre the beat. You know what I say? Fairy godmother, glow. Yes. Let's. This is bride price. See this makeup, bride price, guys. Today she's in London, still last, still. Makeup is worth it. All the money you're spending, yes. Guys, no, but seriously, pretty glow. It's this glow that I'm trying to get you guys. Let me show you the person that beat me tonight. Let me show. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Oluchi Onuigbo.
Yes,
I'm
guys.
a makeup artist.
She's not a makeup artist. She's the makeup artist, not just
artist.
any makeup artist.
Yes.
D with capital. If you're Nigeria, she can slay you.
Yeah.
Lagos. Anywhere she can travel, you can pay for it.
Of course.
It's worth it. Look at my face, please. Your wedding day. This is who you need in your life.
Yeah.
She's a necessity.
Of course, I am.
Are you getting me? You getting this link I'm speaking right now? Yeah. Oh, I wish I got the other two looks, but guys, this is my favorite. Oh, handle.
Like your YouTube and
Oh, okay. It's not the same thing, literally. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm actually gonna give you all her details. I'm gonna put it down below in the on the little thing midget there, so you guys can check her out. She's in London till end of March. Yeah. Oluchi, you're in London till end of March, but yeah. And then if she's come back to Nigeria, so if you guys need her, she's available to travel because she is good. Guys, no, but you guys already know that not a lot of people can actually beat my face because I always look like a drag queen. But look at this. Guys, I need to go somewhere. The whole world must see me today. Lagos. Not to go and travel. London is not enough. It's to go worldwide. Jesus. This glow. I'll disturb you guys today. You must see it.
so they have to see
They have to see it. I'm going to go disturb my Snapchat. So you guys should head over there to go see it. Yes. But yeah. I'll see you guys back here later.